et bienvenue à French learning classes. So today we have the topic is les boissons, okay, which means the drinks. So in this video we will talk about the vocabulary of drinks and beverages. Okay, so I am going to divide this topic into two videos, okay, part 1 and part 2. So this is the part 1. In this video I will teach you about the non-alcoholic drinks. Okay, so here we go. Les boissons non-alcoolisées. Les boissons non-alcoolisées, which means non-alcoholic drinks. First one is le café. Le café, which means coffee. Second is le chocolat chaud. Le chocolat chaud, which means hot chocolate. Okay, chaud means hot. So le chocolat chaud, hot chocolate. Now next one is le chocolat froid. Le chocolat froid, which means cold chocolate. Okay, or we can say cold coffee. Le chocolat froid. Now next one is le lait. Le lait, which means the milk. After that, le thé. Le thé, which means the tea. Okay, tea. Le thé. After that, le thé glacé. Le thé glacé, which means iced tea. Glacé means ice. Le thé glacé, which means iced tea. After that, la tisane. La tisane, which means herbal tea. Okay, la tisane, herbal tea. Now after that, le juice. Le jus, which means the juice. After that, la limonade. La limonade, which means lemonade. Okay. Now next one is l'eau. Okay, l'eau, which means water. Next is l'eau minérale, that is mineral water. L'eau minérale. And l'eau plate means plain water. L'eau plate means plain water. Okay. After that, l'eau gazeuse. L'eau gazeuse, which means sparkling or fizzy water. L'eau gazeuse. And last one is l'eau du robinet. L'eau du robinet, which means tap water. Robinet means tap. Okay, tap water. L'eau du. So now we will repeat one more time all these non-alcoholic drinks. Okay. So first is le café. After that, le lait, le thé, le thé glacé, le chocolat chaud, le chocolat froid, la tisane, le jus, le limonade, la limonade. After that, l'eau, l'eau minérale, l'eau plate, l'eau gazeuse, l'eau gazeuse. And the last one is l'eau du robinet. Okay, so these are your non-alcoholic drinks and you have to practice it, okay, with pronunciation and spelling. You have to learn it, and I will meet you in the next video, which is part 2 of this topic. So stay tuned with me and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you so much.